Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a complete professional website from scratch in just a few minutes using Onepage AI, the new no-code website builder powered by artificial intelligence. If you've ever wasted hours trying to set up a website, fighting with WordPress, or paying agencies to fix broken templates, this tool will completely change the way you build online. It's fast, it's simple, and it actually works, even if you've never built a website before. So let's break this down step by step. And if you want to try it out while watching, click the link in my description to start building with Onepage AI for free. No credit card needed. Onepage AI is a next-generation website builder that lets you create, edit, and publish a full website instantly, just by typing what you need. It combines the power of AI generation with a visual no-code editor, so you can get the best of both worlds. Instant structure, but full creative control afterwards. Without it, people waste days trying to make templates look right, or fixing layouts that break the moment they're changed. With Onepage AI, all of that is automated. You describe your idea once, for example, build a website for my coffee shop, and in seconds, you have a complete page with text, sections, and images ready to go. Now let's walk through how it actually works. Once you log in, you'll land on the Onepage AI dashboard. Click Create Project, and you'll be able to either choose a template or start your site from scratch. They have dozens of templates suitable for agencies, freelancers, online stores, restaurants, and more. Each one follows proven conversion structures, so the pages don't just look good, they perform well. Add a form, countdown, or CTA section with a single click, and it's already optimized for conversions. They also have a built-in AI assistant to help you with copywriting. Now here's the best part. Everything is fully editable. You can click any section, change the text, drag elements, swap images, or even change the entire color theme with one click. There's no code, no reload, and no waiting. Layouts never break because the system automatically locks structure while keeping your design flexible. It genuinely feels like designing live, instant response to every action you take. Onepage also includes quiz funnels, link trees, and multi-page setups, which means you can build everything, from a simple landing page to a complete sales funnel or portfolio site, all inside one platform. Now, Onepage isn't just about looks. It also includes built-in CRM and automation tools, so you can collect and manage leads directly inside the platform or connect external tools like Zapier and Google Analytics. Every project runs on secure, German-based servers with GDPR compliance and free SSL certificates by default. So your data, your clients' data, and your visitors are all protected. And if you ever want to collaborate with your team, you can add multiple members to work on the same project at once. The system automatically locks pages when someone's editing, so you'll never overwrite each other's work. Imagine you're a small business owner who needs a professional website fast. With most platforms, you'd spend hours configuring WordPress, editing CSS, or waiting on developers. With Onepage AI, you can literally go from idea to published site in minutes. And if you need to tweak anything, it's all visual and instant. That's what makes it perfect not only for creators, but also for agencies that want to build and launch projects faster. So, to recap, Onepage AI truly delivers on its promise. It lets you build a complete website with artificial intelligence in seconds. And unlike most AI builders, you can still customize everything visually. No code required. You can manage forms, funnels, link trees, and even a built-in CRM, all from one simple dashboard. It's fast, stable, and surprisingly fun to use. Layouts stay perfect, and every change happens instantly. You also get lightning-fast loading, GDPR compliance, and secure hosting on German servers. And since it's completely free to start with no credit card needed, it's an easy way to test what it can do. Overall, Onepage AI is the perfect mix of simplicity and power, ideal for creators, freelancers, and agencies that want to launch faster. If you want to see how quick it really is, click the link in my description to start building with Onepage AI for free right now. No credit card, no setup, just pure productivity. You can literally go from idea to online in one page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.